All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to yet another time to be on your screen here from our workshop and also our shop here at ABC Shoes, JT Because Offline, ABC Shoes on TikTok and on YouTube. You understand me? So today, welcome to another episode of Talk to a Shoemaker. We have in the house Mr. The Blank Case and then Mr. Gangster Nation. All right, so he's one of the biggest shoemaker ever delivered. So we want to hear from him, sir. Can we get to know you before we, proceed?
Yeah. Let me get some incredible idea.
Okay.
Deep on the floor, on the ground.
Yeah.
See your toe.
Yeah.
AKA PDD.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. P for the ball, P for the D.
Yeah.
Yeah. PDD. The banking.
Deep on the floor.
Yeah.
Deep on the ground.
Yeah.
In your door.
Yeah.
AKA
The banking. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. All right. That's just introduction. You understand?
Yeah.
AKA the bankies, you understand me, Mr. Pandam. Yeah, Mr. Pandam. Thank you very much. Looks like an artist.
Yeah.
Because you look like an artist. All right, that's cool. That's cool. Thank you. He's an artist and also one of the biggest shoemakers in town. So, sir, what was your inspiration? What inspired you into the act of shoemaking, sir?
Act of shoemaking.
Yeah, what inspired you into becoming a shoemaker?
It inspires me a lot because based on determination.
Okay.
Actually, I bought the idea along the way.
Okay.
Because I work in the green farm. I work in the water factory. All of them are sustaining me, but I keep moving along the way. I say, let me get some other brands,
skills,
some skills that will suit me. So that's the idea.
Okay. So the motivation is for you to earn higher, something that will sustain you, bigger.
Yeah,
you understand? That's what motivates you. So so what can you say about the act of shoemaking? How easy is it or how difficult is it? What are your challenges so far so good in the work or the act of the business of shoemaking?
One of the things that I want to say, be sincere to yourself.
Okay.
Be consistent.
Okay.
To yourself.
Okay.
Be determined.
Okay.
To yourself.
Okay.
Be truthful.
Okay.
To yourself.
Okay.
Keep improving your craft.
Okay.
That's the major things that I will say.
Your advice. Okay.
Yeah.
So there are no challenges. Is there anything you find difficult to do in the act so far?
Yeah. It's the matter of time.
Okay.
Time beats me along.
Okay.
But I beat times against.
Okay.
Because not any challenge.
Okay. Okay.
Challenge, yeah.
All right. So if you want to advise someone that wants to learn shoemaking now, what will you tell such person?
It's a good work. It's a good work. When you plant something, when you plant a seed, you need to be watering it constantly.
Yeah. So
that it will germinate.
Yes.
So for you, the most advice that I will tell people are types of procrastination.
Yeah, people procrastinate.
Yeah, start now.
Yeah. So anything you want to do, start now. So that's the biggest. In short, that's the biggest motivation. You understand?
Yeah.
Don't procrastinate. Start whatever you have in mind to do now. All right. Thank you for joining us today. God bless you. So for our viewers, what will you tell them? Outside shoemaking, what will you advise someone that is watching you today?
Big up to the world. Big up to Jeta Vical. Big up to my fans.
Yeah, man.
Big up to my friends around.
Yeah.
Because No long talk, sir.
Yeah. No long talk.
Yeah.
All right. So, guys, thank you very much. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, share these videos to all your social media platforms. Bye for now.
Yeah. But most things again,
Yeah.
due to your quality
Yeah.
and your standards,
Yeah.
it's not the matter of your quantity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Standard. Quality over quantity.
Yeah.
God bless you.